programme is designed to provide upskilling for people in community learning and development, and it covers 6 particular aspects. One is who we work with and why we work with them, because that changes over time. We were covering changing theory that underpins CLD, both philosophy and sociological theory. It covers ethics and values, and it covers changes in policy that are affecting CLD. It also looks at how we go about gathering evidence of effectiveness of CLD and reflective practice, which has changed substantially over time. The programme consists of what I've called snippets of theory, and the reason for that is that too much theoretical input can be mind-boggling and not productive. So I've got snapshots of theory that's come to pass since perhaps people might have qualified. It also is founded largely on experiential learning, which means that the knowledge is in the heads of the people who are participating. So there's a lot of group work to draw on the experience of people who have the knowledge but just needs to be made explicit and shared. And I focus very much on the knowledge, skills and attributes of people who are participating. Knowledge, looking at the theory and the philosophy that underpins the work. Skills, looking at those skills that we need to implement the theory in practice. And attributes I look at in particular in the first session of the programme, which looks at those qualities that people have that they need to underpin what they do. So things like tolerance, patience, flexibility, those attributes are very important. I think that people who are attending will have an opportunity to stimulate their thinking, to share experiences, and to think about the theory in relation to practice. And when they go away, they'll have the opportunity to put these ideas into practice and see if they work for them. The group work is the opportunity to put the theory into practice, to share experiences and to share knowledge, and to learn from peers because they have much of the knowledge themselves. Many of the people who've come along to this CPD programme are very experienced in what they do and know an enormous amount about CLD, and they have a lot to offer others. When they've finished the programme here, there are 6 sessions that are organised to help take the learning deeper. And I hope that when they go away from here, they will use their practice to explore and experiment with the things that we've covered. There are a number of things that are included in the programme that are intended to stimulate them thinking about their own practice and how they would use the learning. In particular, at the end of the programme, there's an opportunity for them to think about their own continuing professional development and what their further training needs are.